G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and what I want to talk to you about here is the Wurth Wiper Blades. Now, don't you hate it when you get in your car and you put your wipers on and they screech and they chatter across your screen, or they're just streaky and smudgy? Well, here at Wurth, we've got a solution for that. We have our standard wiper blades, we have our hybrid wiper blades, these are our flat screen wiper blades for the later model cars, and of course we've got a selection of inserts with clips or clipless, wider ones, narrower ones, all that sort of stuff. And of course we've got our commercial range as well, which go up to 1 metre long. So let's have a look at some of the blades. So I've got our standard wiper blade here, and I'll just open the pack. So it has a protective sleeve, we'll just remove that. And some of the features of this, they have a high quality paint finish which stops them rusting. They last a long time before they rust. All stainless steel pins, so you won't get a lot of wear inside the actual blade itself. And of course, they've got a natural rubber with graphite coating insert. And here I have the Wurth flat blade. So what we get here is, in the pack, we get our flat blade wiper. And again, it's got a plastic protective sleeve to protect the rubber. Now the rubber insert, again, is a natural rubber with a graphite coating. We get a bag of clips in here. So what we can do is, these blades will fit multiple vehicles instead of one blade fitting one particular vehicle. And we can take the clips out, and there's a selection of them here. And we just remove the top clip, which is one that will fit general purpose, universal fitting, and then we can fit some of these other clips on for different types of vehicles, and we just clip them on like that. Now that'll fit a different type of vehicle. So you can see we can do multiple vehicles. And of course our fantastic inserts, again, are a natural rubber with a graphite coating, and we have plastic backed, twin rail, clipless, all different lengths, up to 1 metre long for commercial vehicles as well. So that's the Wurth wiper range. So previously you've seen me fit the flat blades. So let's go and revisit that. So when we get out to the car, what we can do, on the side of the box we have a ruler. So we can simply lay that on the wiper, and we know that this vehicle needs a 650 on the driver's side, and a 475 on the passenger side. So some other little tips and tricks for you. When fitting wiper blades, you should always clean the windscreen. Wurth have 2 fantastic products to do that with, and a microfiber. Also, put some soap in the washer bottle of the car as well. Again, Wurth sell those products. When fitting our Euro or flat blades, these ones here, it's always a really good idea to check the instructions, okay? Because the clips do fit different ways, and we'll have a look at that in a moment. But most people ignore this and they just throw it out, but it's really important. If you fit the clip the wrong way, you'll have trouble fitting the wiper to the vehicle. So it's also available online in the Wurth app or the eShop. You can get hold of it there, or of course talk to your Wurth sales rep. So we have our clip here, and we pull it off like so. Then we find the clip that we need. So we go through, and I'm now looking for this one here, clip G. This is a very popular clip for VW, Mercedes-Benz, for Volkswagen, also new Ford Everest and things like that, and the Ranger. Now this particular one, so it's clip G, and if I look on here on clip G, I can see that the clip has to go that way. Now when I put the clip on, if I was to put it on backwards, like I said, I would have real trouble fitting that on the vehicle. But this way I'll have no problem, it'll slide straight in. The Wurth flat blade wipers, they cover pretty much every vehicle on the Australian roads. Now, our clips do look slightly different to the genuine ones. So when you open the packet, have a look through, and you should be able to find one that will fit the job. So if you have a need for wipers, be sure to have a look at the Wurth eShop and of course talk to your Wurth sales rep.